In the cold darkness beyond the asteroid belt, Cassini orbited a gas giant that, for centuries, was little more than a blur through a telescope. But in 13 years around Saturn, it became something more. A vessel not just of instruments, but of human aspiration. What Saturn gave us was more than moons, rings, or data. It gave us a mirror. Through Titan's methane lakes, we saw weather systems that echoed our own. On Enceladus, we glimpsed oceans that may carry the same spark that birthed life here. In the particles of Saturn's rings, we watched time unfolding, chaos becoming beauty, destruction creating wonder. And in Cassini's final dive, we saw the purest expression of exploration. Not for reward, but for understanding. Saturn reminded us that the universe is alive with stories, not always obvious, not always ours, but waiting for someone to listen. And Cassini, against all odds, listened. It's easy to see space as distant, unreachable, a backdrop for science fiction and mathematics. But Cassini brought it close. It made us feel the chill of Titan's skies, the thunderous silence of a ring shadow, the poetry of a signal traveling across 1 billion kilometers just to whisper, "I'm still here." And through it all, one truth became clearer than any image it ever sent. We belong to something greater. Saturn, with its impossible rings and secretive moons, is not just a planet. It's a reminder that in our pursuit of other worlds, we find reflections of our own. That exploration is not a luxury, it's a necessity. A declaration that we are curious, that we care to know, and that we are not done reaching. So as Dragonfly prepares to soar, and Europa Clipper sharpens its sensors, we carry with us the echo of a spacecraft that showed us how far we can go when we go together. The mission is over, the story is not. Because exploration doesn't end at Saturn. It doesn't end with Cassini. It continues every time we look up and ask, what else is out there? And more importantly, what does it say about us? This is Infinity Beyond, where wonder has no boundaries, and the journey never ends.